Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, I told you about MySQL operators, arithmetic operators. So today's topic is subtraction. It is used to perform subtraction operation on data items. Okay, so select employee ID, first name, annual salary, minus 100 like this. So let's check it. Okay, so this is our employees table. We have to perform on annual salary. Okay, so let's perform subtraction on annual salary. So select employee ID, first name, annual salary, and let's suppose we have to subtract 100. Okay, so as annual salary minus 100, it will add new column. Okay, with alias from employees. So you can see this is our actual table and this is subtracted one. It will subtract 100 in each annual salary. Okay, you can see the difference. So next, multiplication. It is used to perform multiplication of data items. So we have to use asterisk for multiplication. Okay, so just change it to asterisk. It will multiply by 100. Okay, annual salary asterisk 100 for employees. So annual salary, this is our actual table and this is multiplication. Okay, so it will multiply by 100. You can see the difference. So next, division. It divides the operand on the left side by the operand on the right side. Okay, for example, write a query to fetch half the annual salary of each employee given in the employee table. So we have to add, let's suppose we have to divide it with 2. Okay, so that we can get half salary. So let's divide it to 2. As we are using here as, which is alias. I will add that video link in description below, you can check it there. Okay, so it will show you half salary. It will divides annual salary by 2. This is actual and this is divide by 2. Okay, so this is division operator. Just note it down. See what's next. Modulus. So it provides the remainder when the operand on the left side is divided by the operand on the right side. Okay, for example, if you want to get the remainder by dividing the numbers of first num column by the number of second num column, like this. So this is example, first num modulus second num as modulus of num from numbers, like this. Okay, so let's see structure of the table, which is select asterisk from numbers. This is our table. We have to perform operation on this. Okay, so select first num modulus second num as alias. Okay, as let's suppose modulus of num, so it will show modulus of num, a new column. Okay, from numbers, which is table name. Okay, so it's showing modulus of num. Okay, so it's showing first num modulus second num. 54 modulus 36 is 18 and 44 and 20 modulus is 4, like this. Okay, so just note it down. Let's see what's next. Bitwise operator. Okay, so this is important. Bitwise operators are used to perform operation on bits. Bitwise operator convert the given decimal numbers to their binary equivalent numbers and then they perform the operation on those bits and return the result in form of decimal. Okay, I will tell you with the example so that it will clear to you. Okay, so this is the operator and or and exclusive, bitwise exclusive or. So just note it down. So our next topic is bitwise and. MySQL Bitwise AND Operator returns an unsigned 64-bit integer. Here question occurs, what is unsigned integer? So note, unsigned integer that cannot be negative. Okay, so this is whole number without sign. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the unsigned integer. Got it? So let's see what is the definition. Bitwise and. If both left hand side and right hand side bits are 1, then the result will be 1. In all other cases, the result will be 0. Okay, so this is the example. Select 2 and 2. So result will be 2. So let's convert it to binary. Okay, So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. This is the 8-bit. Okay. Convert decimal to binary. So 2 is 1, all will be 0. Okay. So this is the binary. Second is 2. So let's put it 1 here and all will be 0. Okay. So this is binary of 2. Okay. We have to perform AND operator on this 2 and 2. Got it? So just in definition, if LHS and RHS both are 1, then result will be 1. In all other cases, result will be 0. So all will 0. Okay. So this is 2. This is decimal. Okay. This is binary of 2. So let's check it in the terminal. What's the output of this? Okay. So just select 2 and 2. So first we have to perform, we have to change decimal into binary. Then we have to perform operation on that and then convert it to decimal. Okay. So result will be 2. You can see here. Okay. So let's check another example. Select 2 and 5. Okay. So let's change it to decimal. Okay. So 2, 1. Okay. All will be 0. All 8-bit will be 0. Okay. So next 5. So put 1 here and 4 plus 1 is 5. So put 1 here. All will be 0. Okay. So this is binary of 5. Okay. We have to perform AND operator on this. Okay. So if LHS and RHS both are 1, then result will be 1. In all other cases, result will be 0. So both are different. So result will be 0 in all. Okay. So this is 0. Decimal 0. So our result will be 0. Okay. So let's check it. Yeah. Result is 0. You can see here. Okay. So let's see integer max value. 4 byte integer value is here. Range of values. Just note it down. Unsigned integer values. Okay. So our next topic is bitwise or operator.